Today we're going over the manual install of a open source packaged AI utilizing Llama. If you've utilized ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot or Wall-E or some of the more popular AI packages out there, you're probably wondering where's the open source one. Well, a good friend of mine packaged up some of the open source tools out there and has got it running, working perfectly well on Windows, using, I'm pretty sure, nothing but just Node.js. So here is the first prompt. The first command is node and then index.js, and then you'll have to use these open quotes, but you can prompt or put anything in here. Here I'm asking it to write a prompt explaining fiscal policy versus monetary policy. As you can see, it starts loading. This is gonna take a minute, so let's go over the install. I will share the package in the bio and the link of this video. Let's switch over to the install. Okay, first you'll need Node.js. You can just use the long-term storage version. And then just to give credibility, the author of this software package, Sensor Bartek, he has completely open sourced his code. It is utilizing other open source code, and it works beautifully. Once you have the packages, oh, it's done already. All right, let's switch back over. Okay, as you can see, it wrote out the prompt. Fiscal policy refers to the government's use of taxation and spending to influence economic activity. So it's got pretty generic data in there right now, but I'll show you how you can change your own data sets. Let's go to, so once you install this, you'll want to put it in a folder called GPT local. Here's most of the engine right here. You will have to keep the .bin file, or what I believe is the data source file. It's a .bin file outside of this folder, so you'll want it before this folder and in between your data or your drive, your storage. And let's switch over to the index page. This is the .bin file I'm talking about. It's outside of your ChatGPT folder, or GPT, whatever it's called. This is the data source that I'm using. You can replace it with whatever you want. That's the beauty of this whole project. And to run it, you will need to navigate to your terminal, and then as you can see, I went to my F drive, enter the folder, so just cd GPT local. Once you're in there, or hold on, cd. Yep. Once you're in there, then you'll need to type node space index.js space open quote, and then whatever you want, and just make sure to put an end quote. All right, that is all. Thanks.